This 2018 Thor Motor Coach A.C.E. 29.4 is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, smoke detector, oven, microwave, water heater, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, stove top burner, air conditioning, TV, leveling jacks, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, mid kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2018 Thor Motor Coach A.C.E. 29.4 is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.